Who is the father of Narakasura? Who is the father of Narakasura? Varahavata. Bhagavan Vishnu himself is the father. And who is the mother? Bhumi Devi. Very good. Bhumi Devi is the mother. So this Narakasura had held captive how many women? Actually, they were all princes. How many of them? 16,000. Sometimes they say 16,108. And who was the one who killed Narakasura? Who was the one who killed Narakasura? Not Krishna. It was Satyabhama who killed Narakasura. It's a beautiful story. Now see, every story in our Hindu religion, in our Puranas, all these stories have a symbolic meaning. That also you must know. So who is this Narakasura? The Asura who will take us to Naraka is Narakasura. Who is the demon who will take us to Naraka? Naraka means suffering. Who is the demon? Our own ego. So every one of us, we are all Narakasuras only. And how is this Narakasura born? Born out of reality and illusion. You see, Prakriti and Purusha, consciousness and matter. So the combination of consciousness and matter is what is ego. The real and unreal, which can never combine actually, but appears to have combined. So this consciousness identified with matter appears to be an entity. This entity is Narakasura or the ego. All of our suffering in life is only because of ego. Now, how can you kill this ego? Ego can be killed only when you know the reality. Satyabhama, the one in whom Bha means to reveal. What? Satyam. The one in whom the truth has been revealed is called Satyabhama. So the one in whom this great knowledge has been dawned that I am consciousness and not matter. So what happens to Narakasura then? He comes to know I am not the body, I am Satchidananda Soul. So then what happens to this Narakasura? He dies. So only Satyabhama can kill Narakasura.